Panalo sa Guild Awards ng League of Corporate Foundations ang dalawang CSR projects ng Lopez Group. Ito ay ang Honing Nation Builders through Kitec's Values-Based Technical Vocational Education ng Energy Development Corporation para sa Outstanding Project in Education. At ang Eco Project, Kilos Kabataan para sa Kapaligiran ng Knowledge Channel Foundation para sa Outstanding Project in Environment. Finalist naman para sa Outstanding CSR Collaboration Project ang project ng ABS-CBN Foundation at Sun Life Philippines Foundation, Mangroves and Empowered Communities, The Story of Tulay sa Tibo, Phase 2. Isa ring finalist sa same category ang collab ng ABS-CBN Foundation at Energy Development Corporation, The Birth of Diwa and Kali Plush Toys, Integrating Social Enterprise Development in Wildlife Conservation. Congratulations mga kapamilya! Para sa latest updates, bumisita sa knowledgechannel.org.